What is going on, fellas? Cheers. Ooh. What's going on, boys? So, I haven't filmed anything for a while, and that is one of the perks of having a normal job. Well, not really a normal job. My business just gets really not busy. There's just a lot that I have to do. So anyway, I was getting caught up with my other stuff. Finally found the time to come outside and do a little more work to the M3. So today's cool because I'm bringing this car back to, I'm making it a little more modern. Let me tell you how. This is how. So, if you've watched any of my videos before, you've heard me talk about M Sport parts. Good buddy of mine, and he knows E36s and E46s and probably just BMWs, I don't know. He knows everything about these cars like the back of his hand. So he actually has, obviously, a website, msportparts.com, and he sells some aero stuff, some custom fab stuff, some stuff for the Dynan supercharger for, I believe, the S50 and S52, I believe. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about today. Today what we're talking about is he has a kit for keyless entry to the E36. I believe it's just the E36 that he sent me a while back, and I just haven't had the time to install it. So today I'm gonna go through and install this. Here are the pairing instructions. So the kit he offers has everything you need beyond this. It's the module that the keyless entry module. I don't believe they're too hard to get. He went through the trouble of sourcing one for me. So thank you, Brett. That was awesome of you to do. So I believe all you have to do is pull the glove box, and then I'm assuming I will plug the wiring harness that is sold in the kit somewhere back there, looks like it. So I'll plug that in somewhere. Then I'm assuming plug it into the module and then go through the pairing process, and then we'll have keyless. Awesome, because I mean, for the most part, I haven't even been bothering to lock this car because I mean, not really much you're gonna take from that bad boy besides that shift knob, eh? Yeah, get a shift knob. It's the little things, man. All right, so I'm just gonna get started on this. I have no clue what to expect, but I do know first step is to take off the glove box, which he said is the hardest step. But this guy's a lot smarter than me, and he said the whole process should take 30 minutes. So I'm gonna say it takes me 2 hours, give or take. Step numero uno, take the glove box out. There are screws right there, pow, there, and there. And then this little guy just slides out. Not hard. This car is actually not looking too bad from the outside. I mean, okay. This guy right here, behind there is where you're gonna plug this bad boy in. There's an open 12 pin behind that. So now we're just gonna go find it. All right, so step one was taking the glove box off. Step two was finding this open connector and grabbing it, and that's where this will go into. Okay, so that's in there. Oh man, does it look like the same day? I can't even lie. Man, when it rains it pours, eh? It's just one of those things. I was working on this literally 2 days ago when I first started filming this, and I had to go inside to handle some business, you know, because I need to eat and I need to pay for this and things. I just haven't been able to get back out here for 2 days, and it sucks. But I'm back! So, last time when we left off, I had taken the glove box out. I had plugged the harness into the main part that I showed you guys, and now I'm looking for the trunk relay. So the trunk switch. So let's dive back into that. I have a feeling, I'm talking with Brett on this, The 95s may be a little different, or mine specifically, because this had, if you watch some of the old videos, this had an old aftermarket alarm that they did a lot of stuff to. So hang with me while I look for this hood switch, because something might be different there. So I believe my hood switch is right there. I believe that's my hood switch. I believe we can carry on without plugging in that hood switch. So what I have done now is plugged this, which obviously is for your alarm. That'll show you. That's going to sit up there when it's routed behind there and through. So that'll go through there, but I've just plugged it in for now because obviously I'm missing some things. But then the actual alarm unit, you can see, is tucked up right there, and it hides really nicely. I mean, I haven't obviously secured it down there. I'll probably put some double-sided like sticky tape or some Velcro or something on there. But I think now I'm gonna get started with the pairing process, which is following this. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with that. So I'm gonna move on to the pairing process. First step, you close the doors, hood, trunk with the car unlocked. Then you open the trunk lid, leave it open the driver's door, sit in the driver's seat, close the driver's door, put the key in the ignition. You must do these first 5 steps within 45 seconds. So I have all the doors closed, trunk closed, car's unlocked. So yeah, I'm just gonna open the trunk, open the driver's door, sit in the driver's seat, close the driver's door, and put the key in the ignition. That shouldn't be hard, so let's try that. Open the trunk. Come on. Open the driver's door. Sit in the driver's seat. Close the driver's door. Key ignition. Cycle from the off position to the second position 5 times. Do this step within 10 seconds. On the last cycle, you must end with the key in the off position. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open the driver's door, close the driver's door. Open the driver's door, close the driver's door. Oh yeah, the LED light should stay on illuminated. Okay, that's what happened. On the remote, press the small button. Press the small button. And the LED should blink. It did, it blinked. Open the driver's door, get out of the car, close the trunk lid, close the driver's door. Open the driver's door. Close the trunk lid, get into the car LED should turn off. Car LED turned off. The programming is complete. What? Does this mean I have keyless now? Well, kind of. Hold on a second. Oh, how do you? No way! Hold on. I'm freaking out right now. Big button. Small button. This is the greatest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Bang! Ready? It's got power door lock now.
That's awesome! You brought it to modern era.
Well, you don't even need keys to get in. I brought it to like early 2000s.
Yeah, well, you brought it from the 1990s to 2000s, the 20th century, 21st century.
Dude, if you don't have power door locks for your M3 or E36, pick one of these up ASAP, because the only part that I got hung up on was finding the trunk or the hood pin to plug into that harness that's provided. I just didn't think about it. My hood pin is up in the hood, so it was not necessary. So now, dude, I have keyless. This is like the dopest thing ever. So, big button, listen. Little red lights flashing. Small button, unlock. I don't know if you guys get as jacked about this as I do, but I mean, I think this is the coolest thing ever. So now I mean, little red light. Bingo, baby. What the heck, dude? This is so sick. I'm gonna take this to the gym today. I'm so jacked on this. But where's my key? I think my key's in the ignition. No, I think my key is in the ignition. So, I mean, it literally is just pull the glove box, easy, takes 30 seconds. Find that 12-pin connector where I showed you. It's literally, if you're looking towards the front of the car, right, where the center console is, it'll be like towards the firewall, but up against that center console. It's kind of tucked up there, but you'll find it, it's not too hard. So 12-pin connector, plug in the harness. For you 96 plus probably, 96 plus guys, you'll probably need to find that hood pin connector. But then from there, it's just that hood pin connector, plug in the little red flashing light. There's one white pin connection that I didn't need. I'm not sure if you guys will need it. I'll leave a comment down below to specify that. But then it's just a pairing process, and that's super easy. Literally close everything, open the trunk, open the driver door, close the driver's door, put the key in the ignition, then you cycle it just before you're about to start it, just that position like right before that, 5 times. Then you end on the off position on the 5th one, and then you open the driver's door, you close the trunk, yeah, then you close the driver door, and you're good. And you, this is so tight. Dope, so dope. msportparts.com. Brett sent me that kit. He wanted me to try it out on the 95s. Actually, he just sent it to me because he's a good dude. So anyway, if you guys want to do this, snag that kit from M Sport Parts. The only thing they don't have is that little control module, which you'll need. I believe those are kind of readily available. I'll put a comment in the description on how you can pick one of those up too. But if you're new to the channel, guys, smash that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. I got some good stuff that I've just picked up for the E36. Some interior things and some exterior things. And don't forget, I still have the 6-speed transmission. That'll be going in when I put the S54 in. That's getting done by Boost Logic because I don't have the room or the tools to get that done. But anyway, guys, smash that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like if you haven't. I'd appreciate that. I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.